Yes, good morning to all ma. Let us see few extra problems in your geometry ma. Yes, problem is special problems ma. All these are whenever question paper is very difficult, in that case only these type of questions they will give ma. Otherwise previous part is enough. A point is such that a point is such that a point is such that the ratio of its distances from two fixed points is k square. Show that the point lies on a sphere. The point lies on a sphere. This is your question. A point is such that the ratio of its distances from two fixed points is k square, right? Then show that that point should lies on a sphere ma. First of all, I want to take this point is what ma? Some p point I want to take x1, y1, z1. Let p x1, y1, z1 is a point, right? Now take these two fixed points are a and b ma. A is x2, y2, z2 I am taking, and b is x3, y3, z3 ma. Let a x2, y2, z2 and b x3, y3, z3 are two fixed points ma. Right? In the statement what they given ma? A point P means this point P is such that the ratio of its distances from two fixed points should be what ma? K square annarandi. That means find PA and PB ma. PA by PB equal to K square they given ma, right? Clearly I am writing. Given that PA distance from P to A by distance from P to B equal to K square. They given the ratio of these two distances should be what ma? K square ma, right? Otherwise this you can write as what ma? PA is equal to K square into PB ma. Otherwise PA whole square is equal to K power 4 into PB whole square. But once proceed PA ma, distance from P to A is what ma? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Any order you can proceed. Square root of this minus this whole square, this plus this minus this whole square plus this minus this whole square is same as square root of this minus this whole square plus this minus this whole square plus this minus this whole square. That is PA. But they proceed PA square, so that it should be what ma? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. That is PA square result ma, is equal to K power 4 into PB square means distance from here to here is what ma? Square root of this minus this whole square plus this minus this whole square plus this minus this whole square. But square is there, that's why root gets cancelled ma. Then it should be what ma? x1 minus x3 whole square plus y1 minus y3 whole square plus z1 minus z3 whole square. Okay na? Up to here any problem is there ma? Yes, in the next step ma, let us go for your required condition. Once look your required condition ma. What is that required condition ma? You must show this point lies on a sphere ma. That means Let us define locus of this point P here ma. You must get sphere equation. That completes your question ma, right? Once go here locus of point P ma. The locus of P is what is that ma? Locus means what ma? Replace x1 with x, y1 with y, z1 with z here ma. X minus x2 whole square plus y minus y2 whole square plus z minus z2 whole square is equal to k power 4 into x minus x3 whole square plus y minus y3 whole square plus z minus z3 whole square ma. This is your locus of point P ma. Adi mana P point ki locus ma. Is it forms a sphere or not? That means idantha kuda second degree equation ma. Din a minus b whole square to chesi anni one side తీసుకొచ్చినారు అనుకోండి, perfectly it forms a sphere ma. It should be in what formation ma? అది ఏ ఫార్మేషన్ లో ఉంటుందమ్మా? x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది. That's why we say this forms, which forms a sphere. The locus of this P forms a sphere means this P point lies on the sphere or not. This implies we say that point P lies on the sphere. This completes your above question, simple question, right? Yes. See next problem. A plane passes through a fixed point ABC. A plane passes through a fixed point small a, small b, small c. Show that the foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane, lies on the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz equal to 0. That means this is your answer. X square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz equal to 0 becomes what ma? Answer there ma, right? Once see the question ma. A plane passes through a fixed point ABC. Let us proceed one plane ma. First oka plane define cheyali. That plane should passes through this fixed point ma. Then we have to show the foot of the perpendicular from origin to this plane ma. Foot of the perpendicular from origin to this plane should lies on this plane, this sphere ma, right? First of all I want to take a point here ma. First point తీసుకుంటానమ్మా. Let P x1 y1 z1 be a point. Now to proceed our perpendicular distance, foot of the perpendicular from origin to this point ma, let us define the direction ratios of OP line where O is origin ma, right? Direction ratios of line OPR. OP means what ma? O is origin and point P is x1 y1 z1. Those are what ma? x1 minus 0 comma y1 minus 0 comma z1 minus 0. Understood or not? Origin point is what ma? 0 0 0. P point is what ma? x1 y1 z1. Now define DRS of OP line ma. What is that ma? x1 minus 0 comma y1 minus 0 comma z1 minus 0. Like that we proceed ma, right? But x1 minus 0, y1 minus 0, z1 minus 0 becomes x1 y1 z1 or not? This implies we say that direction ratios DRS of line OPR x1 comma y1 comma z1 ma. Basically x1 y1 z1, this is what ma, direction ratios of the normal to the plane ma, and x1 y1 z1, this p is a point on the plane. You know a point on the plane and you know direction ratios of the normal to the plane ma, you can define that plane equation. Mana general condition lo formula list like this ma, if x1 y1 z1 be a point ma, and L comma M comma N are direction ratios of the normal to the plane ma, then what is that plane equation ma? L into x minus x1 plus M into y minus y1 plus N into z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is your plane ma, right? L into x minus x1 plus M into y minus y1 plus N into z minus z1 equal to 0. Here this x1 y1 z1 point is p point, no change ma. L comma M comma N are what ma? Again x1 y1 z1. అంటే ఇక్కడ రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి, బీ కేర్ఫుల్ మా. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎల్ఎంఎన్ ప్లేస్లో ఈ x1 y1 z1 రీప్లేస్ చేయండి. దీస్ x1 y1 z1 యూ కెన్ కీప్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మా విత్ దిస్ మా. దట్ ప్లేన్ ఈక్వేషన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ మా, రైట్? ది ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లేన్, the equation of a plane passing through the point P x1 y1 z1 with again these x1 y1 z1, x1 comma y1 comma z1 be direction ratios of the normal to the plane is, means what ma, that plane equation is L means what here ma, this x1 into x minus x1, this x1 ma, ikkada x1 rendu same unnai, be careful, plus M is this ma, y1 into y minus this point ma, y1 plus N is z1 ma, z1 into z minus z1 is equal to 0 ma. This is your plane ma. Mana plane ippudu form chesinamandi, right? What is your next step ma? In the statement they given this plane is passes through this fixed point ma. Show that here x comma y comma z you can replace with a b c respectively ma. That word we are doing ma. Given that above plane is passes through a fixed point. What is that point ma? A comma b comma c ma. This implies x1 into a minus x1 plus y1 into b minus y1 plus z1 into c minus z1 equal to 0, because a b c you can x y z you can replace with a b c ma. Simplify this ma. This we can write as ax1 minus x1 square plus by1 minus y1 square plus cz1 minus z1 square equal to 0, right? In the next step ma, a b c terms I am writing separately, remaining terms I am taking other combination ma. I mean this we can write as ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 is one combination, ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 is one combination ma, minus of remaining terms what ma, x1 square y1 square z1 square minus take common ma, minus of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square is equal to 0 ma. This is originally your answer ma, but they want like this ma, ila kavali. For that multiply throughout expression with minus 1 ma, మొత్తాన్ని minus 1 తో multiply చేయండి, then what we get ma? Here minus ma, minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1, minus into minus becomes plus x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square equal to 0. Otherwise you can write this as what ma, x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, right? Minus ax1 minus by1 minus cz1 equal to 0, minus cz1 equal to 0. This is your condition ma. But in the question what they want ma, we have to show that plane, we have to show that point means if this P is a point on the plane, na, if you can define locus of P, ma, you get plane. The locus of that, actually what they get from the origin to the plane lies, that means that point P should be lies on this, ma. For that, simply define locus of point P here, ma. The locus of P is, locus means you have to replace x1, y1, z1 with what, ma? X, y, z. Then you get x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz equal to 0, ma. Right? Is it completes your question or not? Locus of P means P should be lies on this sphere or not. This is sphere equation or not. That completes your above question, ma. Right? This is about your next question, ma. Actually here once look, ma, I taken this be the point, ma. Actually this be the foot of the perpendicular. Point means what, ma? The foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane, ma. From origin to the plane. Actually general point I taken, but this should be what, ma? Foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane, ma. Now we have to show that P lies on the sphere, ma. Now if you can define locus of P, ma, you must get that sphere equation that we got here, ma. That's why this you have to take. This point P should be what, ma? X1, y1, z1 be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane, ma. Right? Yes. Take next problem, ma. Prove that the plane x plus 2y minus z equal to 4 intersects the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 equal to 0 in a circle of radius unity, also find the equation of the sphere, which has this circle for one of the great circles, This is your question. If you can understand question properly, then solution is very easy. Question ni first proper ga ardham cheskondi. Prove that the plane this intersects this sphere with circle of radius unity. అంటే ఏంటి, ఈ రెండు ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు ఒక సర్కిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. వెనెవర్ యూ కెన్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ ఏ స్పియర్ విత్ ప్లేన్, మా, దట్ కామన్ ఏరియా ప్లేన్ సెక్షన్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఏ సర్కిల్ ఆర్ నాట్, మా. You must show that circle radius is unity. That is first question, ma. After that, also find the equation of this sphere for which this circle is one of the great circle. Here we got circle, na. If that circle is a great circle, ma. Great circle means what, ma? Center of the sphere must lies on the plane section, ma. Use that condition and proceed your equation of the sphere. Also find the equation of the sphere which has this circle for one of the great circles, ma. Right? That is your total question, ma. First I will plot a diagram so that easily you can proceed. Ma, this is our koncham peddaga gisamandi. Ma, this is our sphere, ma. I am taking center is C ma, right? And this is your plane ma, given plane, this plane ma, right? Plane equation is what ma? X plus 2y minus z minus 4 equal to 0 ma. This is your circle. Here it is not looking like circle, but it should be circle, 3-dimensional figure, you know. Now we have to proceed. This circle radius is what ma? Unity. Unity means 1. Radius of this circle should be 1 and prove chali. That is first question ma. After that we can see remaining questions ma. Before that I want to take a given plane and sphere ma. Given plane is, what is that ma? X plus 2y minus z minus 4 equal to 0. Let it be number 1. Given sphere is, what is that sphere ma? X square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 equal to 0 with center. That is this sphere ma. This sphere with center I am proceeding C. Yes, what is that center ma? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1. This is what ma? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1. And radius r equal to, you know, square root of u square plus v square plus w square, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus d plus 2. Now define what is that r here, radius of this circle ma, or this sphere ma, sorry. What is that? Square root of, this is 3 ma, 3, 12, 13, 14, 14 by 2 na. Shall I write directly? R is equal to, చూడండి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి 3, 3 4s the 12, 13, 14, root 14 by root 4, it becomes what ma? 2. అంటే ఏంటి, మనం 4ని రూట్, డినామినేటర్ని రూట్ బయటకు తీసుకొచ్చినామమ్మా. రూట్ 14 by 2. వన్స్ లుక్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్? ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దామమ్మా. ఇక్కడ మనం మిస్టేక్ అయిందమ్మా. సెంటర్ ఈజ్ వాట్ హియర్ మా? యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ minus 1 by 2, y ఈజ్ 0 నా, z ఈజ్ 1 by 2 మా, ఐ మీన్ minus 1 by 2 మా, సారీ, ఓకేనా? 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2 is center ma. 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2 is center. That means 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2. Right? Ika once look r ma, radius. Em ledam ikkada nenu y coefficient ledu kabatti 0. X coefficient is this minus v minus w ma. Right? Suddenly ఇది z అనుకొని నేను తీసుకున్నాను అక్కడ. And radius r is equal to what ma? Square root of u square 1 by 4 plus v square 0 plus minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus 2 ma. U square plus v square plus w square minus d. This implies r is equal to, చూడండి ఒకసారి, 8, 9, 10, 4 కామన్ తీయండి అమ్మా. దిస్ is 2 కదా, 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 na, 1 by 2 plus 2 ma. Is it root 5 by 2 or not? Right? Because this is 1 by 2 plus 2, 1 by 2 plus 2 becomes what ma? 2, 4, 4, 5, 5 by 2, 5 by 4 actually, 5 by 2 na, no, it is 2, root 5 by 2 directly. R is equal to under root 5 by 2, 2 also inside the root ma. This is your center, radius ma. Now in the next step ma, I want to take this point P on the plane section ma, plane section of this sphere. Let P is a point, ఇక్కడ నుండి లాజికల్ వర్క్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. Point on the plane section of the sphere. Clearly on the diagram I shown ma, here it is P ma. Whenever here you can take P ma, is it, this is according to this diagram radius of this sphere or not ma? I mean CP equal to R or not? This implies CP is radius of the sphere. This implies, or that is, CP is equal to radius of the sphere is what ma? Root 5 by 2. My work is, here we find this ma. Now let us take center of this circle is M. This is our circle, na? Circle center we are taking as M. That word I am writing here, ma. Let M is the center of the circle, required circle, ma. But whenever M is center of the circle, ma, here P is a point, ma. From point P for this, ma, is it possible to proceed perpendicular line or not? Length of the perpendicular to this plane or not, ma? That length of the perpendicular from point C to this plane gives what, ma? Is it point M or not, ma? That word we are proceeding, ma, right? The length of the perpendicular or perpendicular distance from C point to this plane gives what, ma? Point M or not, ma? Like that we are finding that M point, ma, right? Here clearly I am writing M is the foot of the perpendicular, foot of the perpendicular enable perpendicular distance andama better. M is the perpendicular distance from point C to plane equation 2, ma. That means for this plane, ma. For this plane, ma. Plane 1 na 1 only. ఇది నెంబర్ 2 అనుకుందాం, ఇది 1 కదా, ప్లేన్ 1. అంటే ఈ సి అనే పాయింట్ నుండి ప్లేన్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకోండి, యూ గెట్ ఏ పాయింట్, దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఎం పాయింట్, మా. బికాస్ దట్ లైన్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ దిస్ ప్లేన్ ఎట్ దిస్ ఎం ఓన్లీ, రైట్? అంటే ఇది ప్లేన్ అన్నట్టమ్మా, ఇలా ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఈ పాయింట్ ఎం, ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎం అంటాం. ఈజ్ ఇట్ లెంత్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ సి పాయింట్ టు దిస్ ప్లేన్ ఆర్ నాట్? అదే ఇక్కడ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నామమ్మా, రైట్? దట్ వన్ ఓన్లీ వీ డిడ్ దేర్, మా. ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ దేర్? దిస్ ఇంప్లాయిస్ what is that perpendicular distance from C to your point, ma? Clearly this implies the perpendicular distance from point C to plane 1 is modulus, yes, what is that, ma? Plane is this, na? A into 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 0 minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 minus 4 whole by square root of u square a square plus b square plus c square 1 plus 4 plus 1. Any problem is there? ఏమైనా ఇన్కన్వీనియన్స్ ఉందా ఒక్కసారి అక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ దేర్? దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్స్ లుక్, మా. ఇది సింప్లిఫై చేద్దామమ్మా. 1 by 2 basically plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 ఇదైతే 0 అయిపోతుంది. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is what, ma? 1. అంటే is mod minus 3 అవుతుంది. mod minus 3 is what, ma? 3 or not by root 6. Otherwise it is what, ma? 3 by root 6, ma. అమ్మా 3 by root 6 is what, ma? This distance, ma. ఈ లెంత్, అమ్మా. m అనే పాయింట్ కాదు, cm, m అనే కాదు, cm ఈజ్ ది పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ పాయింట్ సి టు ప్లేన్. ఈ cm ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఈజ్ వాట్, మా? దట్ ఈస్ cm. c నుండి m కి డిస్టెన్స్ అదేమ్మా. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ అయ్యిందమ్మా. వీ గాట్ దిస్ ఇంప్లాయిస్, క్లియర్లీ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ cm ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 by root 6, మా. కీప్ ఇన్ బాక్స్ బెటర్, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ వచ్చింది, ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ వచ్చింది. లెట్ us జాయిన్ దీస్ m and p పాయింట్స్ బై మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్ట్రేట్ లైన్. దిస్ mp లైన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సర్కిల్, మా. వీ హ్యావ్ టు షో దట్స్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 1, మా. యూనిటీ అని చూపించాలి. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్, మా, ఈజ్ ఇట్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఆర్ నాట్? దెన్ హియర్ దిస్ డిస్టెన్స్ యు నో, మా. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ తెలుసు ఎంతమ్మా? √5/2. అండ్ యు నో దిస్ డిస్టెన్స్, మా, 3 by root 6. By using Pythagoras law, is it possible to find this distance or not? That work we are doing there, ma. Aa work ikkada proceed aitunnamandi, right? From the above diagram, we can observe that triangle PCM, triangle, anyway you can write CPM is a right angle triangle, right angle triangle. By Pythagoras law, what we have ma? Cp square is equal to Cm square plus Mp square. Cp square is equal to Cm square plus Mp square. This implies Mp square is equal to Cp square minus Cm square, because we need Mp only, right? This implies Mp is equal to what ma? Square root of Cp square minus Cm square, which is equal to, you know, Cp root 5 by 2 ma. Cp square means what ma? It is under root, this total root ma. Cp square is what ma? 5 by 2 minus Cm is this ma. Cm square is what ma? 9 by 6 or not. Now let us simplify this ma. Rendu simplify cheyandi okasari, right? What we get once concentrate ma, em ostundo chuzdamma, right? Here totally root ma, in the denominator 6 we can take common ma. 2 3 is the 6, 15 ma, 3 into 5, 15 minus 9 ma, right? 15 minus 9 is what ma? Is it 6 or not? This is root under root 6 by 6, which is what ma? 1 or not? That means we got Mp is 1 ma. But in this diagram, what is Mp ma? Is it radius of the circle or not? Now radius of the circle is unity or not? 1 ante unity kada. Here Mp is the radius of the circle. Therefore circle has unit radius. Yes, this completes first part of the question. Up to here over ma. What is next question ma? And also find the equation of this sphere which this circle is a great circle. Ee circle nundi pass a sphere form cheyali, new sphere, but this circle should be what ma? Great circle ma. Here once concentrate, this is sphere equation, this is plane equation. What is the sphere can passes through intersection of these two, this circle ma? This is basically circle kada. The equation of this sphere which can passes through this circle is what ma? S plus lambda p is equal to 0. S plus lambda p equal to 0. Use that condition. You get one sphere equation in terms of lambda ma. Then define center of that sphere ma. A sphere center form cheyandi ma. They given that sphere forms a great circle. This circle forms a great circle means that center should be lies on this plane ma. Now center, substitute here ma, you get lambda value ma. Then substitute lambda in S plus lambda p equal to 0, you get your required result ma. This is total procedure for second part ma. I want to continue from here. ఇదంతా నాకు అవసరం లేదు, ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ కంప్లీటెడ్ కాబట్టి ఐ యామ్ గోయింగ్ టు రిమూవ్ దీస్ లైన్స్ మా. బట్ దీస్ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఐ నీడ్, దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ కీపింగ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మా. అవి అలాగే కంటిన్యూ కూడా చేస్తాను వాటిని. ఐ వాంట్ కంటిన్యూ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ మా. Yes, clearly I am writing ma from here. The equation of sphere passing through circle 1 and 2 means this total thing 1 and 2 includes what ma? Circle. ఈ రెండిటి కాంబినేషన్ సర్కిల్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. క్లియర్లీ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ సర్కిల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వాట్ మా? S ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కామా P ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మా? x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ z స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ x ప్లస్ z మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా ఇంటూ x plus 2y minus z minus 4 equal to 0. Clear reason I am writing. Since s plus lambda p is equal to 0, we use this condition now. Since from 1 and 2. Basically, these two combination, these two intersection gives a circle ma. Now we are going to define a sphere can passes through this circle. That is this ma, right? Now write this in the proper way ma. This you can write as what ma? X square plus y square plus z square, x coefficient plus minus 1 plus lambda into x plus 2 lambda y, because there is no y term here, plus 1 minus lambda into z minus 4 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Let it be in the continuation, I don't know number, it may be 3. ఇక్కడ 3 అనుకుందాం, లేదు అంటే let us take big expression number 1. మిడిల్లో మనం రబ్ చేసినాం కాబట్టి అవన్నీ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే లీవ్ ఇట్, బిగ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ 1 అనుకోండి. అర్థమైంది కదా? ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్, ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ థింగ్స్ వీ టేకెన్ ఎక్స్ కామన్, minus 1 plus lambda, y is the only term, that is 2 lambda y. In between these two things take z common, 1 minus lambda z. Now minus 4 lambda minus 2 equal to 0. With center, yes, define center ma. I am denoting that center with other notation ma. A, capital A anukuntunna. What is that center ma? Minus u minus v minus w means what ma? Lambda minus 1 by 2 comma minus lambda by 2 comma lambda minus 1 by 2. Once look here ma, minus ante minus of minus ante amma. This is basically 1 minus lambda. 1 minus lambda, because minus of minus kada, minus u minus v minus w kada, minus ante minus inside తీసుకెళ్ళండి. 1 minus lambda by 2, this is minus lambda only, 2 is there na, here it is minus lambda only, because already 2 here coefficient ma, here take minus 1 inside ma, lambda minus 1 by 2 ma, this is center ma, right? They are giving that that circle is great circle, so that this center must be lies on this plane ma, right? Given that above circle is a great circle, so that point A means center of the sphere ma, point A lies on the plane. What is that plane ma? It is this x plus 2y minus z minus 4 equal to 0 ma, right? Yes, substitute ma. This implies 1 into 1 minus lambda whole by 2 plus 2 into minus lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 1 by 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Yes, simplify this ma, find the value of lambda, right? Totally I want to take 2 common ma in the denominator lo 2 common తీసుదాం, direct simplification. 1 minus lambda, 2 common తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి 2 into 2 is what ma in the denominator, 4 na, minus 4 lambda minus lambda plus 1 minus 8 is equal to 0. అర్థమైందా లేదా? మొత్తం డినామినేటర్ 2 కామన్ తీసుకున్నామమ్మా. ఎస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ మా. ఇంకా ఇదేమవుతుంది ఒకసారి చూడండి, minus 6 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Any problem is there? Minus 4 lambda minus 6 lambda plus 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 6 is what ma? 2 minus 8 is what ma? Minus 6, 2 I taken other side ma. This implies 6 lambda is equal to minus 6, 6 lambda is equal to minus 6, then lambda should be what here ma? Minus 1. Here the value of lambda is what ma? Lambda value ento vachindam ikkada manaki? Minus 1. Now substitute that lambda in big expression 1 ma. Substituting lambda equal to minus 1 in big expression 1 we get, yes, substitute చేద్దాం ma, x square plus y square plus z square. Yes, substitute lambda equal to minus 1 here. Minus 1 is what ma? Minus 2x, right? Here substitute minus 1 ma, minus 2y. Here substitute minus 1 ma, minus 2 minus plus 1 plus 1 is what ma? Plus 2z. Here substitute minus 1 ma, minus 2 minus plus 4 minus 2 is what ma? Plus 2 is equal to 0. This be required sphere ma. This be required sphere. This completes your one of the difficulty question ma, right? కొంచెం లాజికల్ గా ఉంది, అంత డిఫికల్టీ ఏం లేదు క్వశ్చన్ లో. డయాగ్రామ్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లాట్ చేసి ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వండి, దెన్ యువర్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఈజీ మా, రైట్? This is about your new question.